Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, House on Pine. So today we're going to be on my front porch. We're going to be cleaning, giving this porch just a makeover and a refresh before fall. I'm going to be updating a few of my decorations, getting rid of some old decorations, and just getting this ready to do fall decorations later on in the season. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But here are some befores of my porch. I need to clean some of the floors, get rid of some of this decor. I'm going to wash my blanket. I'm also getting rid of this door that we moved out of the house. I'm going to store it up in my building, and I'm going to be updating some of these walls, putting some fresh decor on these exterior walls that actually need to be cleaned. So I'm going to be cleaning those. I'm going to be cleaning off the door and the windows. And these steps are also in bad need of a cleaning, so I hope to get to those today as well. So we're going to go ahead and start cleaning off this porch. I did not film removing everything from the porch, but I did go ahead and take everything off. The only thing I couldn't move was this big heavy iron bowl or pot, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, the rest of this stuff I did take off, so I'm just going to sweep and start cleaning all the walls. I am using Crud Cutter to clean all of my walls. It does not smell the best in the world, but it does a great job at cleaning off any mold or mildew or any dirt and stains like that. And I think I got this one at Lowe's. Okay, so I have everything pretty much cleaned and wiped down, and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and move all of the rocking chairs back up on the porch, move everything back up on the porch, and then we'll start to decorate. Before it started raining too heavily, I did go ahead and wipe down both of my rocking chairs using the Crud Cutter, and I do have two different colored rocking chairs. My husband loves the stained brown and I love the white, so we just decided to leave them as they were. I have three favorite window cleaners. One is Method, and it smells so good. It smells just like mint. The other two are the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, which smells like lemons. It smells really good also. And then my third one is just the spray away glass cleaner that is invisible. It works on glass perfectly. Now that everything is clean, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some decorations in this corner. I'm going to be adding some flowers in this basket. I think I got this basket from Walmart, but it's been years ago, so I'm not sure. And these florals I found in a pack, I believe, at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, so they may still have similar there if you check that out. But I'm just going to add it to this wall, and if you see these little metal wires hanging down from the sign, that is how I hang my signs on my porch. I attach them at the top of my wooden ceiling with some little metal hooks, and then I just drop those wires so that I'm not messing up my siding. I do have one small hole in my siding that's got a metal wire hanging from it that I do hang stuff like planters and these baskets on occasionally, but that's a good tip if you don't want to drill directly into your siding. Pick an area up underneath the ridge and just drill a little hole. You can stick a wire up in there and then kind of get it to stay by bending it or tie a little knot in it. But I like this method because I don't have to mess up my siding. I have had this antique metal milk container for several years. My husband either found it at a flea market or an estate sale. I can't remember which, but I thought it just added a farmhouse charm to the porch. I put this out almost every year. I'm just going to clean it up and add some decor on the top. It's a good place to sit your coffee when you are sitting on the porch, or just to hold some decor like books or a little planter. Now I'm going to add those books. I just took the cover off of these books because the interiors are black, so I thought it would match good on my porch. And then I'm just going to add this little faux greenery on the top. Next, I'm going to be doing just a little DIY. This white lantern has been on my porch for several years, and it was just showing some age, and it had some green moss growing on it. So I'm going to be taking out the glass panes. Some of the glass panes had already broken. There was 2 that had not, but I took those out, and now I'm going to be repainting it with some chalk paint. I'm not using outdoor paint because this mostly stays under my porch, but I'm just going to be covering it with this Krylon chalk paint in the color black. Did not realize this when I was filming, but my cat is absolutely in every shot that I have of this porch. But it started raining right when I got to this point, so I had to stop. We're going to pick up tomorrow with finishing decorating and adding just a few more touches to this porch. I'm going to be adding these layering rugs. I actually take these off of my deck. I didn't want to buy new rugs at this point because I'll probably be buying some fall decor to put on this porch later in the season. So I'm just adding these for now. And now last, I'm going to be adding some greenery to this black iron pot. I'm going to be lining it with this trash bag just to keep all of the water from rusting it out. And then I'm just adding this hosta. I had this on the other side of the house, just out in the landscaping, and I just thought it would be nice to move it to the porch for now. Later I'm going to be adding some mums when I do my fall decorate, but for now I thought this would be good just for an end of summer greenery on the porch. Because of all the rain this week, I did not get to redo these steps. I'll probably do that this fall when I do my decorate. So I'll do the steps and the banisters at that time. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you some before and afters so you can see how much better this porch looks. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for decorating your outdoor space or your porch. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel to watch this video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. I've got lots of fall decorating content coming up, so be sure to stick around for that. I hope to see you guys back again very soon in my next video.